This year, Eastern High School expanded their CTE program with the addition of a new welding class.
We study 5 basic principles of welding. The 5 processes are flux core arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, oxyacetylene welding, shielded metal arc welding.
My favorite project has been the Doodle Bug because it combines my 2 favorite classes, autos and welding.
My name is Jacob McBee. I come here from Boyne Falls. I enjoy coming over here to East Jordan from Boyne Falls because they offer a welding program that our school doesn't.
Not only do these students use basic welding techniques, but they also are able to manipulate the metal by using special equipment.
One of our students right here is using the iron worker, and he is shearing a piece of steel to be welded on. In this clip, I'm bending a piece of sheet metal to make a dustpan.
These students in the class will have the opportunity to develop more extensive skills by taking a Part 2 welding class the next year they are in high school.